Hello everybody, this is my feedback for the 90 days mentoring challenge from Marc Smith, and my name is Marcel Schmidt and I'm living in Germany and working at a consulting company as a functional consultant. Yeah, my feedback for the mentoring challenge is very positive. I have learned a lot new things, which is also related to my function or my business itself, and also some experience which helps me a lot to work also in other scenarios. So therefore, I have learned on the one hand side new things related to topics I thought I was aware of. For example, the topics around the communication, the do's and don'ts, but also other important things on the other hand side related to the Microsoft business, about the future plan, about the development in the past years. Was very interesting to see the timeline and the different changes which were made in the past few years. And therefore it was a pleasure for me to be part of that, and definitely I've learned a lot and meet different cultures, different people, and therefore the experience was very good. Yeah, thanks a lot, and yeah, we will see.